What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a stop sign detector in Scratch. So let's get started. First I'm going to name the sprite. I'm just going to call it stop sign. And then I'm going to go to the costumes tab. Just going to delete the second costume and just rename this to cat, because why not? And then I'm going to get a when green flag clicked. I'm going to delete this variable and then create a new one, and I'm just going to call it timer. Wait. Detector. That's a better name. Okay, and then I'm going to hide it. Then I'm going to get a timer. I'm going to set the detector to timer, get a forever loop, put that in there. And then I'm going to get a when loudness, and then I'm going to change the loudness to timer. And then put detector in there, and then get a show block there. So when I click the stop sign, something will actually work. Okay, let's test it. I'm gonna go big screen here. As you can see, it works. And that's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna add a sound. Yeah, I don't know either. I'm just gonna put this in the code real quick.
Oh shit, what the f***? What? Glizzy bit me!
And it plays the sound, exactly what I was going for. I'm gonna name the project really quick. I'm gonna call it stop sign. Wait for it. Wait for it. Detector. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching the video.
Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing. Big boy, come pick up your phone. Why you no pick up your phone? Your phone ringing. Your phone going to go to voicemail. Goodbye.